We're at 3756 Ocean View Boulevard. Cameraing on the left side through a hole. It is a sewer line. There's a lot of debris.
Dang, bro.
That's no big deal, though. We can do a hydrojetter and pull all that out. Might not be able to see anything for a minute. Run it as far as we can and see if we can find some water. We'll look at it on the way back. Definitely the sewer line.
That water?
Yeah.
Yeah. It finally rinsed it off so I can see. I'll go all the way out and then I'll come back. I'll try to locate exactly where it's at.
So you just hit where it goes in from the building, huh?
Yeah, there's two lines together right there. That's the new pipe out in the street. There's those cleanouts right there.
Are the ones you're gonna go through in the front?
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't need to go through them in the front. I can go from here. But I already know that pipe's brand new.
Where are you going to? Where are you at now? In the street?
I'm in the street.
Just past the front here. What is that?
That's the city. Come on. That's the city pipe right there.
Okay.
So, 146 feet. We'll pull it back to those cleanouts and then we'll start locating it on the way back. See, the pipe in the street's fine. It's all that green bell. It's brand new. That's the cleanout that's out there.
That's where they attach to, right?
That metal lid that's
Yeah.
out there in the new sidewalk. And that's where it stopped. You want me to put prank paint or?
Yeah. Well, I mean, here's the deal with that is we're just looking to see if there's any collapse, like if there's, you know what I mean? If any of the pipes collapse, because we got foundation issues, man. So you know, what brings foundation issues?
Right,
Water.
Yeah. Let me go find out exactly where this is.
But why is there water constantly running though, too? You know what I mean?
Someone showering?
Huh?
Is someone showering?
I don't know.
Five right there. So why would you, why would you do this? notice that much, dude.
So right there, hold on. So that's the city pipe hooking in to our pipe, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And that's right at the end of the sidewalk.
They're using the water in this unit.
Yeah.
Huh?
So she's using the water in this unit.
Taking a shower or what?
No, I think she's in the kitchen. She'll turn it off.
Okay.
But the other one next to it wasn't. So you want me to go to the ones upstairs?
Please. Thank you. So we'll
And then
pull-
do we want to map out, like right now, do we want to map out
Yeah, I
where
can-
that line is?
When I see a turn, I'll go to it and show you where it turns.
See how much, look at that, dude.
There's a turn right there, that's why. There's a turn right
Hold on, go
there.
back.
It's not roots. It looks like just those spider webs that were on there earlier. I think that's all it is. But right there, let's go mark that.
Dude, that pipe's full, dude.
Huh?
That pipe looks pretty full right there, bro. Sure, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Can I negotiate?
That's what we're trying to do right now.
Pull it back. There is an offset right there.
What do you
See how
mean?
it goes uphill? See how you
Uh-huh.
can see the lip of that one?
Yeah.
So the pipe
You're currently at a different.
closest to the building has dropped just a little bit, making that lip.
Oh, it's going like that, huh?
Yeah, so, see, it's like a little lip. It's hard to get over. So that one is,
Look at that right there, dude.
yeah, that's the lip.
But what's that stuff? All that.
Just rust from cast iron. Let me go pinpoint where that one is. Oh, I'm gonna take my keys. What did I do with my keys?
You know what, James? Hey. Let's map out on the inside here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why I'm looking.
going in there, right?
Right.
So the other wire's got to be coming. I mean, the other one's going to be coming straight down.
Yeah, somewhere it's going to come to here. So the red marker is for this spot.
So hold on, see there?
Made a little turn, but we're going to be inside that unit. Somebody just used water again.
Hold on. So now it just popped up, right?
Yeah, it's like a 45 down. Or a 22 down. It's a small turn down. Definitely could use a good cleaning.
Hello, it's Joseph. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually in the process of doing something right now. Can you give me a call back in about, say, 45 minutes? Okay. Thank you.
Little belly and
What
little
is that right there?
offset.
Little
That's
straight?
baby wipes, I think.
But hold on, you see that big dip? How it? Okay, so come back a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more.
That's roots right there coming in.
Huh?
I think that's roots coming in.
Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. See, look at that.
Yeah, it's hard to tell.
I mean, that's a lot of water just sitting there, bro. Right?
Yeah, definitely some kind of little belly there. Or the bottom of the pipe could be missing. Drops even more right there. That's a repair. It was made right there. Looks like roots are coming into that repair.
Yep.
Which is going to be underneath that first unit.
Well, we're past that first unit, right?
I don't think so. You can see the little piece of green pipe there. We'll go try to find that. Pretty sure it's in the unit, but...
That's roots right there.
Mm-hmm.
So poop and all that ain't going down there? Poop and all that ain't going in there?
Yeah, that's the sewer line, dude.
Why does it look like clear water?
Because this is water, but it's like puddled up right there. Because we're at 95 feet, so...
And the people on this side aren't using water unless that one unit that didn't.
That spot's right at the wall. about a foot away from the other mark.
Well, why is that one green?
They just did a patch with green pipe with the green bell. There's somebody's leftovers. Definitely needs to be cleaned. That's just tissue. A little offset right there. Watch how it drops. That's definitely going to be inside the units. There's a turn. I'm going to go see if maybe that's right in this little walkway. I was right in between the two buildings. I marked it and I put 4 feet deep.
All right. What is that?
Tissue or baby wipes or
No, I mean that little how it dipped down, like right. Does that go? Does that look like it splits off right there?
yeah, it turns. It turns for
So
sure.
we got another one going that way too.
Yeah. But I think that might be the toilet tie-in because I'm right at that wall.
Oh, so it's coming
I'm
down
at
like
the
that into
front one,
All
the
right.
front building. There's some kind of drain connecting right there. You see the water dripping?
Yeah.
One of the drains just connecting there.
It's not a good connection. It's true.
It could be like the toilet dripping. You know, just a little bit of water each time. It's just hair. Tissue. Somebody's running water again. Possible roots there. I just can't see.
Oh, that's a lot of water, huh?
Yeah. I think it's roots, but I'm not 100% sure. It's getting hung up on whatever that is right there. Somebody just flushed the toilet.
So that's how far out, or
About 32 feet. It's going to be pretty much right in the middle of this complex. We're at the one on the west, no, the east side. Looks like a turn. Just another offset. Thought it was a turn, but
Is that on this side of the building?
yeah. Can't see anything. Definitely some kind of offset there, because as soon as I get out of it, I can see.
come back a little bit?
I'm trying to see that little spot right there on the left.
That's a big buildup of water right there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's caused
Is it
by
where they're two
something.
connecting? No. There's no-
See, there's something right there on the left. Can't tell what it is. They're using too much water. Can you have them stop the water one more time, please? Just the one right here, I think.
Which one? The one?
Right here.
That's where I think the problem is with the foundations cracked right there too.
Really?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So the water's it's probably the pipe's probably broken,
Cracked and then leaking.
cracked.
But it's super hard to tell. See, there's something there. I just don't know what it is. See it?
Yeah.
I think it's roots. That's what it looks like.
right?
It's so hard to tell. I think it's roots, but I can't confirm.
So I'm thinking the pipe's cracked right there, dude, at the bottom.
Yeah, it
You
looks
see how
like
it's like
it
this?
looks
Look,
like the
it's
bottom's
like
missing.
like falling out. So it's like just a ravine going down there.
The only bad thing is with the camera, you can't confirm it. It's the only bad thing.
You see how the water's kind of like flowing to the
To the V,
yeah.
kind of what it looks like. That's what I was gonna say too, but
That's just soap.
yeah, that's soap. Definitely back here needs a really good cleaning.
And this is where we're coming into that unit right here, huh?
Yeah. You can see that's a lot of debris.
That's underwater though, is it?
No. There's no water in this at all.
No.
Possible roots right there on the right on the bottom. This pipe looks in pretty bad shape. Roots right there. There's pieces of the pipe crumbling off.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can tell that whole bottom's almost gone, huh?
Yeah, this pipe.
Huh?
This part of the pipe's in pretty bad shape.
Yeah.
But why isn't there water in that part?
They don't use it a lot. The drains are probably on the other side.